What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo with DiCarlo Capital, and today we're doing a recap on PayPal. PayPal officially today has hit the price target that we are talking about down here at $157 for the past couple of weeks. Now that it has finally hit our price target, we need to do an update. We need to talk about if I will be taking a position in this and if I think that this is a good buy. Now, if you guys haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, check out the Discord down below. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as tons of free resources, guys. Check it out, link in the description. I would love to have you guys part of our free group. Now, taking a look at PayPal. For the past couple of weeks, we've been talking about this major support line here, this blue little highlighted section that I like to draw out for support. And we were saying that while it did look like we were holding here very, very well at 176, there was still a good chance, if you wanted the best entry possible, to wait it to see if it fell down another 12% down to 157. Now, as you guys know, the market is just sitting here dropping. We did have a good bounce today, but the market has dropped pretty significantly within the past couple of days, specifically tech. So you can see QQQ is down pretty bad as well. And things like PayPal, Square, etc. are all taking a hit. But now PayPal finally is down here at major support at $155. I think we're going to hold here. If we do end up snapping with earnings coming up on the 31st of January, we will see another significant drop back down to $115. And I think there is no way in hell that we snap $115 because this is a major, major support that we've been holding and watching for a very, very long time. I mean, if we take a look back here, basically from June of 2019 up until April of 2020, this was the major resistance that we were holding for a very long time that we finally broke out of. So I wouldn't really be surprised if we snap this support if the entire market rolls over and they have bad earnings. The other thing I want you to note is that over here, I'm going to go through and highlight. Over here, we actually have a gap that could be filled to the downside. So if you want the best possible entry and you're worried about the market selling off and you don't want to get into positions too early, your best bet would be waiting to see if we have bad earnings and filling the gap. PayPal down at 122 is a phenomenal buy, and I will probably take a position in this long term. Right now, I'm not trading this. I don't want to trade this. I will go over some specific ways you could trade this if you're looking at earnings, but at this very point, I am waiting to see if we hit $120 long term. Now, if you are somebody who does want to take a position in PayPal now and you want to play through earnings, there's a couple of ways you can do this. The first one going to be just buying straight up calls. It's really the last way that I want to play. I don't like playing straight up calls, but if you really want to, I would be going for something like a May 20th $160 call because your implied volatility is rather low at about 47%. Your theta is going to be pretty low and your delta is a 55, which means for every dollar that PayPal goes up, you will make $55 in return, which is very, very nice. Now, the other way that you could play this specifically just for earnings would be a put credit spread. And you would come here to like a February 4th or February 10th. You pick the specific date. And what you're going to do is pick a price you think that PayPal will not close below. So let's say I think it's going to rip on earnings. I'm going to pick like 150 because I don't think it'll close below 150. If you're a bull, I'm not saying that I think this. I honestly would not play earnings, but this is just a theoretical example if you guys wanted to. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. So we would sell a 150 put, and then we're going to come through and hit buy within the same thing, and we're going to add another leg, and we're going to buy the 145 put. And if you do this correct, it's going to say put credit spread. And you can see here for every $372 that you put up, you will make $128 in return, which is a little less than a 50% return. And all PayPal has to do is close above 150 by next Friday, which is not bad at all. It can even drop like 4%. As long as it holds over 150, you're good. But for me, like I said before, if you really want the best entry, I'd be watching for $122. Guys, thanks for all your support. Truly means the world to me. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below what tickers you guys want me to look at. As always, guys, it truly means the world to me. My goal this year is to build the biggest and best trading community out there that is completely free, to truly help each other and to create the best non-toxic community out there for everybody, guys. The link to our Discord is in the description. I would love to have you guys a part of our group. See you next time.